Assalamualaikum everyone. Let's make ginger jaggery candy for cold and cough. Blend ginger, peppercorn, cardamom and cloves with a pinch of cinnamon powder, then strain the water and keep it aside. In a pan, melt ghee with jaggery until it's smooth and bubbling. Mix it well until it fully melted and carefully add the ginger strained water. Be careful while adding. Cook it and check by dropping a bit into water. If it turns hard, it's ready. Pour it into the mold or making little lollipop using sticks. Let it cool and enjoy this tasty homemade candy.